Feeling under pressure.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I'll hold you one last time, let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me?
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Holi special episode. We are right now here at Juice Box at restro. Right now I'm completely untouched by the color, and we will be exploring Lakeside and see how the Holi festival is being celebrated around in Pokhara Valley. So stay tuned for that.
You wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go.
Well, right now we are here in Gurung Park and we can see a very lively environment all around. We can also see varieties of people of different age group with varieties of color. I am very much enjoying this episode. I really hope that you are also really
I don't wanna go and waste
Hello,
another
namaste.
day.
Okay. Oh, namaste.
May I know your good name, please?
Oh, not a lot. No, Tori.
Oh, sorry?
Speak Nepalese, you say? Tori.
No. I said, may I know your good name, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. A lot. Very nice. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm a little bit drunk, and I'm a lot of pressure with this one.
No, not a lot of questions, just a little bit. What's your good name?
My real name is Basil. My name is Basil. Yeah.
Basil. Okay. Oh, so this is the first time in the park?
No, my second time. Yeah.
How do you find the park?
Oh, my first time it was 4 years ago, and it's a little bit strange to talk about this one now actually, because I went on the party in the morning and I'm a little bit get high now.
Alright, so is this your first time celebrating Holi here?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
How do you find Holi as?
Very nice, a lot of color. Look at my face. Look at my clothes.
Yeah, very vibrant. So are you enjoying yourself here?
Oh yeah, a lot. I love Pokhara because I like skateboarding, and in Pokhara there is a lot of people to do this, and the place is so nice too.
So you are basically a professional skate player?
Exactly, yeah. In France, yeah. Professional, like I teach every day, is my job. Is my job in France, and I try to do the same in Nepal, but only for voluntary projects.
Alright. I really hope that you will enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.
निशा अब तिमी बच्चा जस्तो लागिरहेको होइन मलाई तिमी राम्रै घर पुग्छ जस्तो लागेन है मलाई यता
बेकारमा आयो जस्तो लाग्यो
ओए यहाँ पुग्छ ल अब त तिमी बस्दैन जस्तो छ यार कहाँ हो ओजन गर्ने होइन त बन्द हो त अब डन बच्चेको रे एम्बुसमा पऱ्यो कसलाई लगाइदियो यस्तो त्यसलाई गएर हानौँ फेरि जाउँ Let's go, let's go. Happy Holi, Bani.
Happy Holi.
Hey, Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
हामीले अघि लाएर निशान लगाइदिनु लाग्छ
म के गर्नु
मलाई
Wish that I hadn't
सो म रिक्वेस्ट गर्छु तपाईहरु सबैजना हाम्रो लेखनाथ राम्रो छ भन्नुको लागि तपाईहरु सबैजना म रिक्वेस्ट गर्छु हुन्छ त्यति भन्नु ल हुन्छ ट्राई गरौँ न बाहिरको साथीहरुले थाहा पाउनु हुन्छ राइट म हाम्रो लेखनाथ भन्छु तपाईहरु राम्रो छ भनेर चिच्याइदिनु हुन्छ लेट्स डु दैट ओके एक्चुअली ट्राई हाम्रो लेखनाथ राम्रो छ भन्नुस् न one last try हाम्रो लेखनाथ Wow, you guys are amazing. तपाईहरु सबैजना YouTube मा हुनुहुन्छ ल